President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. has ordered several government agencies to focus on fixing the waste disposal system following the shocking appearance of sea of garbage in the cities of Pasay and Parañaque after continuous rain brought about by the southwest monsoon or habagat. Kenneth Paciente tells us more in this report.
President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. personally witnessed what appeared to be a sea of garbage at the Jokno pumping station in Pasay and at the Redemptorist Water Channel in Baclaran. This after the garbage was swept into the areas by the unrelenting rains brought by the southwest monsoon. Thus, concerned government agencies are focused on fixing the system for proper waste disposal, also in line with the President's directive. According to Palace Press Officer Undersecretary Claire Castro, the DNR's 196 trash traps are now operational to ensure the proper collection of floating debris from rivers and waterways. Around 1,500 Estero Rangers and River Warriors have also been deployed for cleanup activities and the clearing of waterways.
Meron din pong Adapt an Estero program na meron na po tayong 20 active adopters in the private sector. Kumbaga, sila yung mag-a-adapt ng certain place para manapanatili itong malinis. So, marami pong mga programa ang Pangulo. Pero kahit ano pong ganda ng programa ng Pangulo, kung hindi rin po makikipagtulungan ng ating mga kababayan at tuloy-tuloy po silang magtatapon ng basura.
Armando admits that their job of collecting floating garbage is not easy, but he says it is still worth it as long as they have a source of income and can help the environment.
Ang sistema po kasi niyan, hahakutin namin ngayon, mawawala, maubos na. Mga isang araw lang, 2 araw, nandiyan na naman.
Malacanang also reminded those hired to work in garbage cleanup to take their job seriously. These after some were reportedly doing nothing more than photo ops.
Nakita po natin na ito yung nag-viral, na yung iba ay magpapa-picture lang. Kunwari may basurang winalis. Pero after that, ay aalis na rin. Minsan sila pa yung nagtatambak ng basura para ipakita may basura sa lugar. Wawalisin nila, and then after that, nandun lang. So, ang gobyerno po ay binibigay po ang lahat. Kayo po ay hinahire para kahit papano ay meron kayong mapagkakitaan, pero gawin niyo po yung inyong obligasyon dahil hindi po naman kayo hinahire at binabayaran para gumawa lang ng mga fake videos.
The President earlier said the government is looking to push the Waste to Energy initiative to put garbage to good use. DOE Secretary Sharon Garin said the 9,000 tons of garbage collected daily in Metro Manila could generate 200 megawatts of electricity. Possible sites for the facilities in Rizal, Navotas, and Tondo are now being evaluated. But the government will ensure compliance with environmental requirements to prevent the facilities from adding to emissions.
This is a generation project, so it does not require any GAA kasi energy is a deregulated industry on generation. So yung mga proponents natin, ang gagastos, babayaran lang natin siya sa energy na produce niya.
Meanwhile, nearly 300 schools across the country remaining as evacuation centers due to the onslaught of typhoons Maymay and Luis, as well as the southwest monsoon. Malacanang stressed that the government is further strengthening the implementation of the Ligtas Pinoy Centers Act.
Ito po, ang plano ay magkaroon po ng 16 more evacuation centers na ipapatayo at ipapagawa ngayong taon. At 16 evacuation centers for 2026 at 32 for 2027. So yan po ang proposal so far ng DPWH. At ang matarget po ay magkaroon tayo ng evacuation centers.
Kenneth Paciente for the Nation.